Hello. The purpose of this video is to share with all stakeholders our proposal for the renovation of the Orange County Public Schools strategic plan. Here's our visual for OCPS 2020. This is the current Orange County Public Schools strategic plan. It was developed in 2015 as a refresh of the previous plan and includes the vision, what we strive to become, the mission, why we exist as an organization, our core values, our market differentiators, or items that make us unique and special, and our goals. Over the last 6 months, through a sequence of board work sessions, Dr. Jenkins and the school board have been revisiting the current strategic plan. They received updates from each of the district divisions and conducted a thorough situational analysis, revealing various strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The results from this environmental scan led to the suggested renovation of various elements of our plan. Here you will see a visual in draft form of the proposed OCPS 2025 strategic plan. Let me walk you through some of the changes in greater detail. This slide depicts the market differentiators, or points of pride for our district. These are based on the strengths of the SWOT analysis. On the top of the page, for your reference, are listed the market differentiators in our current OCPS 2020 plan. And on the bottom, in blue, you can read the proposed changes for 2025. You will see the board wants to continue to highlight our high-quality academics, arts, and extracurricular activities, our state-of-the-art facilities, and our innovation in digital learning. They would also like to add that we are a leader in career and technical education. We offer extensive choices and unique opportunities for our students. We embrace a diverse community and are transparent and accountable to our stakeholders. In a moment, you'll be provided a link to a feedback form where you can let us know if we missed highlighting any elements that you feel set OCPS apart from other districts. Next, the board examined our district's core values. They would like to replace the previous values on the left in orange with the updated values on the right in blue. They believe we are a system focused on equity, integrity, inclusion, innovation, respect, and collaboration. With the renovation of our new strategic plan, we hope to provide opportunities for stakeholders to tell us more about what these core values mean to them and how we, as an OCPS community, embody these values in our daily lives. Moving on, you can see here the proposed changes to the OCPS vision and mission. Our vision is what we desire to be. The proposed OCPS 2025 vision is to ensure every student has a promising and successful future. Our mission is what we do. The proposed update here is in blue and reads, "With the support of families in the community, we create exciting and successful pathways to lead our students to success." Lastly, the school board reviewed the goals from OCPS 2020. In our new strategic plan, OCPS 2025, the district goals will be renamed objectives to align with current best practices. As you can see here, most of the objectives will remain the same. If we start at the bottom of this list and work up, we still want to focus on an engaged and invested community, efficient operations, and providing a safe environment. The changes in our overarching objectives include the addition of the phrase positive climate, as well as broadening our current focus on student achievement to capture both high expectations for student learning and student social and emotional well-being. The proposal is for these 6 objectives on the right side of your screen in blue to be adopted as the district-wide big buckets or major focus areas to align all of our work over the next 5 years. Before sharing the link for the feedback form, let's review the proposed timeline. This timeline starts here and now, with you engaging in this presentation and sharing your feedback. As you can see, the feedback period will conclude in late October. We ask that after today you share this video and talk to others about how they see themselves contributing to the greater OCPS community. Principals will be charged with sharing this information formally with their faculty, PTSA, and SAC. The OCPS Communications Department will be sending out a Connect Orange message. This notice will provide more information about our upcoming community meetings, which are scheduled to occur in the months of September and October. At these evening gatherings, each school board member will engage their constituents on this topic as well as gather feedback on proposed start time changes. In November, the feedback results will be analyzed and shared with the superintendent and school board. They will then make final recommendations and alterations as needed. The goal is for this entire process to conclude with the final school board approval of the renovated vision, mission, values, objectives, and market differentiators in December. Now, we would like to hear from you. Please log on to your computer or take out your phone. Go to the link bit.ly/OCPS2025. That's bit.ly/OCPS2025. Here, you will find our 6 questions regarding the renovated strategic plan elements. As a reminder, your feedback is anonymous. There is a space for your comments within the feedback form. Thank you for your attention and participation. Here at OCPS, we will continue to lead our students to success.